What's something people don't know about Craig Lock's new book? It's a survival guide for today's unpredictable world. This isn't just any self-help book. Handbook to Survive Life by Craig Lock is a treasure trove of wisdom. Craig's journey from the tumultuous era of apartheid South Africa to today's fast-paced world, to the peace and tranquility of New Zealand Aotearoa, brings unique insights on success, motivation, and goal setting. Whether you're feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or just need a new perspective on life, this book offers practical advice and real-life lessons. Craig's relatable stories and straightforward tips will help you navigate through stress and uncertainty, making every day a step toward your best self. Discover the power of attitude and the secrets to achieving your goals, all wrapped up in one inspiring read. Get your copy today at creativekiwis.com and take the first step toward a brighter future. Handbook to Survive Life by Craig Lock, because you deserve to live your best life. Ebook is available at creativekiwis.com.